First of all, it's amazing, Mamta, for it's an eye opener in the space of just knowing oneself. That's the most important thing, and then it becomes a better thing to know about your partner. So that's there. So amazing structured course, and with you, very warm, very informative. The examples and all that you give makes us, it gives more clarity to the points that you put up there. So thank you very much for the entire session, and it's a great job, Mamta. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So मैम बहुत अच्छे से आपने समझाया, और स्पेशली आपने जो अपने खुद के काउंसलिंग सेशन से जो एग्जांपल्स भी दिए हमें, वो उनने बहुत ज्यादा हेल्प किया कॉन्सेप्ट को समझने में. तो आई रियली लाइक्ड इट. एंड अब मैं और कोर्सेज सर्च कर रही थी साइट पे कि और कौन से हैं. तो आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड फॉर इट. थैंक यू सो मच मैम.
Very interesting sessions, ma'am, especially the way you give all the practical knowledge to us and the examples that make it very simple and helpful to learn. And उसके अलावा सारे जो हमने मॉडल्स जो हमने कभी सुने भी नहीं थे वो पढ़े. That was very 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 helpful, जिससे हमें आगे हेल्प मिलेगी ताकि हम उस चीज को प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज में लगा सकें. So thank you so much, ma'am, for being so humble, patient, and listening us.
Thank you, Divya. Thank you.
So I personally found the course to be very structured, and even though the course was for a longer time, like duration wise 10:30 to 5:30. 5:30 कब हो गया मुझे पता नहीं चला. It was going so smooth and so well, and कहीं पे भी ऐसा नहीं लगा that the course is getting so heavy and I cannot take it anymore. In fact, जब 5:30 आया, I was like 5:30 हो भी गया, इतने घंटे में एक कोर्स के लिए बैठी थी, because that is very unusual. मैं एक जगह पे इतनी देर नहीं बैठ सकती हूँ. I need to move around. But this course kept me so engaged, and also how we got to practice each model individually, breakout rooms में जाके. I think वो भी एक बहुत अच्छी चीज थी, बिकॉज हमें पर मॉडल में क्या कंफ्यूजन आ रहा है या एक्सप्लेन करने नहीं हो रहा है, या सामने वाले ने एज अ क्लाइंट क्या बोला, वी गेट अ चांस टू क्लैरिफाई देयर एंड देन बिफोर वी मूव अहेड. बिकॉज क्या होता है, इफ वी मूव अहेड, पहले का कुछ क्वेरी होगा, वी कैन फॉरगेट इट, या इतना अच्छे से ध्यान में नहीं रहता है. बट द मोमेंट वी आर आउट ऑफ द ब्रेकआउट रूम, यू आस्क अस कि हाउ वाज इट, कुछ क्वेरीज है, कुछ कमेंट्स है, तो तभी के तभी जो भी है रिजॉल्व हो जाता है. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच. इट वाज wonderful, and you are doing a very great job. You are very patient and understanding, and you're doing everything perfect, in my opinion.
Thank you. Thank you.
First of all, I really liked your approach, and you made us all very comfortable. So that was good. And you're very humble person, as much as I can see till the sessions, and the sessions were very interesting. And the thing that I liked the most about the course was this hands-on practice, that practicing and teaching models to each other, because at times it might not be possible. Like, we know all this theoretical knowledge, but in real it might be a bit difficult for us to do in counseling. So this was a great thing, and amazing experience.
Well, I seriously loved your approach, because for the entire course, instead of you just preaching, you got all the answers out of us. That approach that kept us more engaging, I felt, rather than just somebody sitting and preaching out there and saying this is how.
Yeah.
That's really great talent and technique, the way you pass the knowledge to us.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
and the knowledge did actually help us understand ourselves better and how we can improve our relations better.
Absolutely. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for those kind words.